Today on Engineering Newswire, we're designing the next generation supersonic jet, printing photos that turn into videos, and spotting sharks with a military-grade drone. Those of you longing for the days of the Concorde may be in luck. NASA is moving ahead with its new X-Planes program by awarding Lockheed Martin a $20 million contract for the preliminary design of a low-boom flight demonstration aircraft. The Quiet Supersonic Technology project aims to make passenger flight faster and quieter. The purpose of the contract is to take NASA's recently conducted feasibility studies into a revival of civilian supersonic aviation and build on it to create preliminary designs for a manned demonstrator aircraft. The demonstrator aircraft would use new fuselage, wing, and engine designs to create a supersonic heartbeat or a soft thump rather than the loud booms of past supersonic airplanes. Currently, Lockheed Martin is tasked with developing baseline aircraft requirements and a preliminary aircraft design, in addition to providing supporting documentation for concept formulation and planning. In addition to design and building, the low boom flight demonstration phase will include analytical and wind tunnel validation and validation of community response to the new, quieter supersonic design. NASA hopes that flights of a half-scale, piloted test aircraft will happen in 2020, so all of you jet setters have plenty of time to plan your next international supersonic vacation.
What if you could not only share a photo through social media, but also share it as a physical print to friends all around the world without physically mailing anything? That's basically the idea behind LifePrint, a startup company that has developed a pocket-sized printer and some innovative augmented reality software. The $130 LifePrint uses an app that ties into social networks like Vine and Instagram, or to your phone's camera. First, users choose a still frame photo to print via the app. No, maybe. No, not that one. This could take a while. Then they choose an associated video. Oh, kittens. No. And finally, they hit print. The printer heats up crystals of dye baked into the film and prints the photos in about 30 seconds. It's basically the same technology new Polaroids use. Once the photo is printed, users can scan it with LifePrint's app, which will pick out the picture using image recognition and then bring the photos to life through the augmented reality viewfinder. It's like the living photos in Harry Potter. Well, except less magic, more technology, and you have to view it through a phone. LifePrint was actually an Indiegogo campaign that surpassed its original fund goal by 698% in January. I don't know about you, but I'd like to bring this Harry Potter fantasy to life.
The Australian state of New South Wales had 14 shark attacks off its waters last year. So, to combat this deadly issue, the state is looking to drones for help. In fact, the state government's new $16 million shark strategy specifically calls for small aircraft to monitor the waters around Southeast Australia. The unmanned aerial vehicles assigned to the task are called Little Rippers, and they are worth about 250,000 Australian dollars each. The state has launched a trial of the unmanned shark spotting aircraft, which will survey the coastline for sharks lurking in shallow waters. The Little Ripper itself is a modified version of the military-grade Vapor 55 drone, featuring a flight time of 2.5 hours, a range of 60 miles, and a variety of daytime and infrared cameras. Plus, the drone can also serve as a rescue tool, delivering life-saving pods packed with defibrillators, flotation devices, shark repellent, and survival kits to people in danger. If the trial is successful, the plan is to eventually use a fleet of Little Rippers that can patrol the coast, relying on human operators and pattern recognition algorithms to detect shark attacks.
Do you have story ideas? Comment below and we'll cover them in the upcoming episode. For the PD&D channel, I'm Kaylee Duffy, and this has been your Engineering Newswire.